Well, hello there everybody, my name is Isaac, and in today's video it will be a little different from what you normally watch on my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you a tour of my Lego setup together with my desk setup. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so this is the general overview of my room. As you can see, that's my storage area for my Lego parts, and more drawers, more storage area. And right here, this is the desk setup. Pretty minimal and simple right there. I have my laptop right here, a 24-inch monitor, some custom keyboard, mouse, and also my headphones right there, which, yes, my headphone stand is made out of some Lego parts. And that is a general view of my desk setup. So right here I have a lot of these storage drawers which are labeled with Lego parts together with their identification number and their pictures. So I have most of them labeled right here. These are the bigger drawers for bigger pieces. I have a lot of lift arms right there, and right above them I have more of these drawers for the colored bricks. So let's go through one of them, or all of them, one by one, shall we? So these drawers, I have the first drawer for all the, what do you call them, the tiles or plates, I believe. Next we have all the wheels and tracks, and at the bottom I have just miscellaneous electronic stuff. And over here I have more trays with unsorted Lego parts. And over here I have instruction manuals, just like that. And in the drawer part I have some extra pins, connectors, all these kinds, which can't go into my drawers anymore because they are all full. And this is the PC right here. I'll drop the specifications on screen. So let's go through some of the storage. I have my previous build here, the Mercedes-Benz. I have all the lift arms over here, which are the smaller ones. Oops. And these are like half length, half studs lift arms. More of these panels, and more other panels you can see over there. And right here I have all the lift arms starting from 15 studs, 13, 11, 9, 5 and 7 studs, and here are the 3 studs and under. Right here more pins which are labeled, and all the axles which are also labeled right there, as you can see, and they are, yeah, fully packed. I have more extra panels over there, and what do you call these pieces? I'm not sure what they are called. I have a lot of them, so they are just placed out there. Over here I have some extra wheels, the bigger ones, and over here I have a lot of other Lego pieces. I can't go through all of them one by one, but you can have a general view, just like that, and more other parts. On top here I have the electronics and some other more connectors over there which are yet to be sorted. Over here I have smooth tiles, all the smooth tiles right there, Technic bricks, the longer ones and the shorter ones, together with hose and soft axles. I believe that's what they are called. Over here I have some other tools and miscellaneous stuff, and yeah, a collection of puzzles and Rubik's cubes, together with more of these collectibles, together with some minifigs And then I have like a Lego, what do you call this, a modular set, the restaurant set over there, together with a nano block and crossover with McDonald's over there, together with more projects which are yet to be done. Over here I have a chassis, not sure what to build later on. And over here, let's go through, we have white, orange brakes. I'm not sure what to do with that yet. And then light blue, blue, gray and black, brown, green, red, yellow, and all the gears, all the Technic gears right here. And these are still yet to be sorted. And I'm pretty sure that's about it in my collection. So I'll roll a few montage here to show off some of the highlights from my room. So that's pretty much it about my room setup or Lego setup, as you can see right there. So thank you so much for watching. Do drop a like, subscribe to the channel, as I'll be dropping more creations in the future. Thank you so much.